everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to computation of taxable rent-free accommodation. Mr. X is employed in a company in Bangalore. So as soon as the word Bangalore comes, in Bangalore there is a population more than 25 lakhs. People are there in Bangalore. The particulars of income for the previous year 22-23 was follows. So they have given the details of income. Basic salary is 16,000 per month. DNS allowance is 4,000 per month, out of which 40,000 enters into retirement benefits. Then bonus is 8,000 per annum. Commission, it is charged 4,500 per annum. Entertainment allowance, they are giving 5,000 per month. Fair rental value of the rent-free house. So whatever the rent-free house they are provided, okay, the fair rental value of that is 40,000 per annum. Per annum, the rent paid is 40,000. Value of furniture provided. Value of furniture provided is 20,000. 20,000 is the value of furniture provided. Compute the taxable value of rent-free furnished accommodation, because here they are giving furniture also. See, value of furniture provided. They have provided the furniture also. So it is known as rent-free furnished accommodation for the assessment year 2023-24. Okay. So take three columns: particulars column, amount rupees column. So before that, write the name of the SC assessment year previous year. That I need not tell, because in income tax, whichever the problem you solve, you have to write that. So first you have to compare the 15% of salary or the rent paid, whichever is lesser. So for that, first I have to calculate salary. So let us calculate the salary. So for the purpose of salary in RFA, everything you will consider apart from what is that, PF. So excluding PF, everything you will consider. So you will consider basic salary plus bonus shares plus DA entering into retirement benefits. They have told 40% is entering into retirement benefit, plus commission plus entertainment allowance. Okay. So now basic salary. Basic salary they have told it is 16,000 per month. So 16,000 per month into 12 months is there. So 16,000 into 12 plus bonus they have told. Bonus is 800 per annum. Bonus is 8,000 per annum. They have given directly 8,000 per annum. Next, DA. Total DA is 4,000 rupees is the DA. In that 40% enter into retirement benefit. So 4,000 into 12 months into 40%, because 40% is the only amount that enters into retirement benefit, plus commission. Commission they have told it is 4,500 per annum. So when it is per annum, you need not multiply. Plus entertainment allowance, EA. EA they have told 500 per month. So they are given per month. So you have to multiply into 12 months. So 16,000 into 12 will be 1,92,000 plus 8,000 per annum. It is 8,000 only. 4,000 into 12 into 40%. It will be 19,200 plus 4,500 per annum plus 500 into 12 will be 6,000 rupees. So if you add everything, you will get the salary 2,29,700 rupees. This is the salary. Now I have to consider 15% of salary. So 2,29,700 into 15% will be 34,445. This I have to compare with the rent paid. So in question they have told that the fair rental value of the rent free provided by the employer is 40,000 per annum. So they have given directly per annum. So I will write there 40,000 per annum. So whichever is lesser. So 34,455 is lesser. So that will be the taxable value. For this I have to add, if any cost of furniture is there, 10% of that cost I have to add. So in question they have told that value of the furniture provided is 20,000. So 10% into 20,000 I have to add. So 20,000 into 10% is 2,000 rupees. Plus any hiring charges. So they have not hired any furniture. So hiring charges will be nil. And okay, any salary, any amount are they deducting from the employer salary? They are not deducting any amount from the employee salary. So amount deducted also will be nil. Now 34,455 plus original cost of furniture 2,000 rupees if you add, you will get the taxable RFA, that is 36,455. What is the taxable RFA? 36,455. This is completely RFA because they are not deducting any amount from employee salary. So it is rent-free accommodation, rent-free furnished accommodation. Even they are providing the furnitures also. This is how we need to calculate the RFA. In my next video, I'll come back with one more problem related to RFA. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.